dancer, slae.
Look at what we had. Look what we became. In the push drop top the raise. Put a roof up on my head. Like little man, can you stand the rain? Can you stand the clown, little bro on the 2-man? Blood out the lines, Rude. Get the club going up on a Tuesday. We not holding worship just on Sundays. Call them God and me piece it together. In the ball like John Wick up in Berettas. God, yeah, I do anything for my brothers. Yeah, Jesus, help me ball out for my sons. Yeah, I drop dear mom, I'm loving my mother. SoundCloud.com, yeah, that's where I started. Young rappers forgot, now they playing parties. I wanna travel to distant safaris. Bro in the scat while I'm pushing the Rari. Yeah, it took time and patience, some grind. Supporters, y'all blowing me up, yeah, it's real. Yeah, I don't know what that is, touch the mill. Just thinking the Lord can't comprehend still. Judge out the 9, not clutching the steel. Stacking the bank to pay my bills. Drink holy water, ain't cracking no seal. Girl shaking, whole IG real. Time ticking, G's coming, I feel. Time ticking, people chasing the mills. In the rain, I'm doing it still. Turn 20, yeah, I'm ballin' for real. Only a kid and I seen a lot. Only a jig, I open my eyes. People they hating, that's no surprise. I'm RDCD, code the prize. GC gave me like too many tries. He reach out his hand and give me a revive. Run to the father, the bond too tight. Shout out to Myron, the bond too tight. Shout out to Secret, the bond too tight. Shout out to Secret and folks, we tight. Shout out to Joy, still falling in line. They see in my phone and I'm hitting decline. The devil run over me, I got that 5. Gang in the wood, got too many rides. Evangelist better, he riding with us. The devil won't play, gon' send that shot. Now you got a man down, he hurt with the 5. Devil can't have my soul, brother, he tried. We gon' build with God, like we fly, like a bird or a plane. Gotta pray every day. V8 and just know we race. Like little man, can you stand the Like little man, can you stand the rain? In the lyrics, can you feel the pain? Feel like sin hit me with a train. From the 3, know I hit the train. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at what we had. Look what we became. In the push drop top the raise. Put a roof up on my head. Like little man, can you stand the rain? Can you stand the clown, little bro on the 2-man? Blood out the lines, Rude. Get the club going up on a Tuesday. We not holding worship just on Sundays. Call them God and me piece it together. In the ball like John Wick up in Berettas. God, yeah, I do anything for my brothers. Yeah, Jesus, help me ball out for my sons. Yeah, I drop dear mom, I'm loving my mother. SoundCloud.com, yeah, that's where I started. Young rappers forgot, now they playing parties. I wanna travel to distant safaris. Bro in the scat while I'm pushing the Rari. Yeah, it took time and patience, some grind. Supporters, y'all blowing me up, yeah, it's real. Yeah, I don't know what that is, touch the mill. Just thinking the Lord can't comprehend still. Judge out the 9, not clutching the steel. Stacking the bank to pay my bills. Drink holy water, ain't cracking no seal. Girl shaking, whole IG real. Time ticking, G's coming, I feel. Time ticking, people chasing the mills. In the rain, I'm doing it still. Turn 20, yeah, I'm ballin' for real. Only a kid and I seen a lot. Only a jig, I open my eyes. People they hating, that's no surprise. I'm RDCD, code the prize. GC gave me like too many tries. He reach out his hand and give me a revive. Run to the father, the bond too tight. Shout out to Myron, the bond too tight. Shout out to Secret, the bond too tight. Shout out to Secret and folks, we tight. Shout out to Joy, still falling in line. They see in my phone and I'm hitting decline.